video we will discuss about the data structure dictionary means dictionary data structure we will discuss in this video. So let me open VS Code. I have created one file with the dictionary.ipynb, that is Jupyter notebook file. You need to just click here new file and just create with this name or whatever name you want to give, you can do, no problem. Dictionary.ip, but extension must be same, dictionary.ipynb. Just I have created Jupyter notebook and just create a code cell. Just need to discuss what is dictionary. Dictionary is, so let me give some introduction about dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Okay, when I will give an example, then you can understand what does it mean by key and value. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs, and it is unordered, unordered, mutable, mutable, unordered, mutable, and indexed by keys. Okay. I'm talking regarding dictionary in Python. Okay, suppose you want to store one person data. Okay, then you need to just, you can store like that, person equal to, just use curly braces, and you can store the data in key value format. Dictionary is a collection, is multiple collection of key value pairs. So if I want to store person name, then you just need to give key name and value, that is John. Just give double quote for string. Okay, string key and string value, and key value pair separated by the comma. So I need to use comma. And another information about the person, that is age. You can give age just like 45 and just comma after key and value. Just you can give city. City is a key and colon value. Suppose that is California. California, like that. Okay. I have stored one person information. I can store with the key and value forms. Though so key and value is separated with colon sign. Left side is key and right side is value. This is age is a key, and right side of the colon is value. Key and value. Okay. Key are of type string, and value if the string, then you can use double quote. If the number, then you can use like that without quote. Okay. And key value both can be separated, must be separated with comma. Okay, key value must be separated with comma, and key and value have colon sign. Okay, key colon value, and key value separated by the commas. So I have stored the person information in key value format like that. This is the format. Okay. So you can add another information of person, like you can add address, like that. You can give address colon whatever the address, just give the address here. Okay, and just a comma, you want to give the mobile number, mobile colon, what is the mobile number, you just put here any number of key and value pairs. Okay, no problem. Just remove last comma because we don't need to give more information. Just I have created the uh, just dictionary using the key and value pairs, and how to access. Now access part, just click on the play button, and now this dictionary is created. Okay, just use this one, and when you use person, and I want to now accessing how to access the data. Suppose just use person, then you get all the information. Okay, currently when you write person here, all the object, this is the person. Person means dictionary, whole the dictionary information. Just put person, and either you can press the play button or just shift enter to get the all the information regarding that person. If you want to get particular information, okay, then how to accessing 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 values, dictionary value, accessing dictionary values. Okay, how to access dictionary values, like we can access like print and person, the square bracket, just put the key name. If you want to just access the name, then you can put the name like that and press the play button, you get the result. Person, just give the name of the person. Person is the complete object, and just I want to access the name, so person and square bracket key name. Okay, if you want to access age, just give age and just play button. Okay, then 45, age is 45. If you want to just access city, then you put city key and just press play button, you get California. Okay, now then you can access dictionary value like this. Okay, but what happened if the key is not available and you access that key? Suppose city is available, name is available, and age is available, and you are accessing the same thing which is available in the dictionary, person dictionary, person. Okay, then you get, if the whatever the key is available in the dictionary and you are accessing only the same key, then you are able to get the data. But what happened if you accessing city one? City one is a key which is not available in the dictionary. That what will happen in this case? Just press the power play button, then you get the error. And what is the error? Accessing dictionary values, print person city, this one must reset call last. Like that we get an error, city key error, that is city one. We don't have city one key, that's why this error. Then in this case, what is the option to uh, what is the option, what is the alternate option to get rid of this type of errors? Okay, so just I will show in this only, just put the comment this one, or put the comment, or just use this one, and Here we need to use get. Person dot get, just use get. Okay. Print person dot get and then key name. Okay. Then suppose I have given the key name which is available. Okay. And just press person get city. What happened? Okay. Sorry, I didn't give the function parenthesis. That's why the error. Okay. Just remove this cell and we will use fresh one. Just generate code cell. Now we need to access person. Just we have these information. Okay. Now we'll access using this one. Person dot get, and we are getting what we need to get access. Person dot get, we need to access city currently, and city is available, that is California. Okay. Person dot get, that is city. Okay. City 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 is key is available. Okay. so, so we are getting California here. Okay. If I'm just accessing city one here, then what happened in the when this key is not available in the dictionary. Okay. And just I am accessing this one, then what happened? Just no error. Okay. If we print, just press play button. If we print, then it's nothing. Okay. That's it's printing nothing. Nothing means none. Okay. It's printing none. Okay. Means nothing, no data, no key, no data. City one key is not belongs to dictionary, only we have city key, not city one. Okay. So city one is city one key is not available in the dictionary, so that's why there is no data regarding this one. That's why it's printed none. If you just use city or age, then you will get the data. 45 age is available, age key is available. That's why we get the data. If we put the age one, we have no age, no key belongs to this age one key is not available, so it's printed none. Okay. If you want to get print according to your custom, just to give the custom information, then you can give not available, just you can put here not available, so it is customized, it will print a not available. Okay. This is the alternate option to get rid of error. Okay. If you're directly accessing and key is not available, in previous example just I have already shown, if you directly access without get function, and if the key is not available, then just you get an error. But in the case of you are using the get function to access the key, if that is not available, key is not available, then also there is no error. Okay. You can give the custom message also in this case. Okay. And so this is the advantage of get method. Okay. And here I also discuss dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. So key and value pairs. This is the collection. Okay, key value pair collection. So that's done. And it is unordered means key value collection means the dictionary is unordered. Why this is unordered? Because it not store the data in index format. Okay, it not store the data in index means it store the data internally in the memory in the form of hash code. All the keys in the dictionary, whatever in the dictionary is available, that is stored in hash code. Each key of dictionary is stored in hash code. This name has separate hash code. This age have separate hash code. This city has separate hash code. These all the keys name age city have separate hash code and it is stored in the internally in the memory in hash code. That's why there is no order of this dictionary. Okay, order is not maintained in the dictionary. Order is maintained in the uh, in list. Okay, but here in the dictionary order is not maintained because it is stored in the hash code. Okay, and you inserted the data, that is the that key is stored in the hash code. Suppose we have this dictionary, then name is a key and its hash code is dynamically generated and stored in the memory. Okay, and you are just accessing here by the key, not index. Okay, that's why it's not maintain the order. And here mutable, what does it mean by mutable? Mutable means you can add and remove the dictionary elements. Okay, means you can add and remove or modify the dictionary, that is mutable. If you can't able to uh, modify or add the data, then that is immutable. But here we can do, we can add or remove, so that is mutable. So indexed by keys. Here the value is stored in the by index by by keys. Okay, indexed by keys means its value is indexed by keys. Means name, age, and city. This is keys. And keys are stored in the memory in the form of hash code. Okay. Now in another example, we will show how to add and update items of a dictionary. Currently, I have created the dictionary, that is person. Just to print the person information, we have these data in the person. So just create, add another code cell, and just I want to add, suppose I want to add job key. Then just use person, just double quotes key, that is job, and job equal to, just use software engineer. Okay, just I have added one more keys and value, just person, and this is the key and this value is assigned to particular this particular key. So I have added, and now just we have need to print the person dictionary. Then we get, previously we get name, age, city, and now we get name, age, city, and job is software engineer. That means this key job is added in the dictionary. Okay, and one more thing, this is the adding. adding, and now we will see updating, updating dictionary, dit, dictionary, adding dictionary, in dictionary, like that. Just give text, comment text, adding in dictionary and updating in dictionary. So we have added the software engineer in the dictionary. Now we have this dictionary. Now we will update. Okay, then how to update? How to update? Just use person and whatever the keys available, just I will need to update. Suppose age is 45 and I want to update the age is 25. Then just use the key which is available, person age, that's key age is available, and assign the value 25. Now again we need to print the person dictionary. Just this is assigning, this is modifying, okay, updating, and this is the person dictionary. Just executed. Now we are getting the age is 25. Previously it was 45. So this is adding and this is modifying or updating. Okay. And now in this example, in next example, I will discuss removing items. Removing items. Okay, removing items from dictionary. How to remove item from dictionary? Just a simple method. Just use person dot pop. What does it mean by person pop? And just give the key name. I want to just remove the job. Give job. What does it mean by remove key and return its value? Okay. Now just use removed key equal to this one. Just what does it mean by person dot pop? Person dot pop means remove a specified key and returns the corresponding value. Okay, this telling that remove a specified key and return the corresponding value. That means person dot pop job. Here I have given job. Job means this one, this key. This key means on this key the value is removed. This means this one job, this key and value are removed from the dictionary and it will return the value means job. Removed key, not removed key, removed value. Here it will return the removed value. Okay, and now what are the current dictionary? We can also print current dictionary also we can print, or directly we can use person, then it will give. Okay, pop what will do on that key pop person dot pop job, and job key whatever the value is available that is removed, that this job key and value are removed. Okay, and the pop return the value means on the job key whatever the value software engineer is available, that is returned and removed value. So I need to print also the removed value. Removed value, just press play button, then you will get the removed value, that is software engineer. And now we see the currently software name, age and city. Okay, the job is removed. So using pop we can remove or remove the items. Okay, And one more thing here, person dot pop item, pop item. Here see what does it mean by this one? What this pop item will do? Just comment, just put the comment here. Removes last inserted key value, key and value. Okay, pop item. Just here print person now. Now, what is the last key and value? Last key is city and value is California. So pop item means remove the last key and value. So print the person right now. Just will give name and age. City and California are removed. This pop item remove the last inserted. Here this one is inserted. Remove last inserted key value. Means last is the city is last inserted key value. That's why it removed. Using the pop item you can remove. Pop item will remove the last. What is the difference between pop and this one pop item? Pop item will remove the only last key value, and this pop will remove any key value. Means just you need to give the key and it will remove from if you are giving the uh, first starting key, middle key, last key, whatever the key is, you just provide, just it remove. But in the case of pop item, it will only remove from the last key value. Okay, last key value removed from the dictionary by the pop item. Okay, another way is del and person just give person and just you need to give the age, then also it will remove. Okay, this is also removing the specific key and this will also removing the specific key, but it will return the value of that key, but it will not. Okay, it will remove and just print person. Just I have removed the age, so we will only get the job. And using the clear function, you just clear the whole dictionary using the clear function. Just clear the using just clear the person dictionary using clear method and just print the dictionary. What you will get? Empty. That is empty. Using person, you can remove all the element from the dictionary. Okay, just again we need to create the dictionary because I have clear already, so I have just executed and now our dictionary is created. So when I am given person and executed, then we will get this information. Okay, now looping through a dictionary. Next topic is looping through looping through dictionary. Looping through dictionary. How to loop through the dictionary? Okay, what you can do? Loop through keys. Looping through dictionary and looping through dictionary. First way, loop through, loop by keys. Loop through by keys. Okay. Currently in person we have these information. In person dictionary we have these data. Okay. So I want to look through by the key. Then just use for loop, K for key in person, colon, just enter and print K. Okay. You can write this one like this one, like this you can write, and I will give another way also. Just looping through dictionary, just loop by keys. We are just iterating by keys. Okay. This suppose in this dictionary we have keys name, age, and city are keys. Okay. So we are looping through keys. That is, we are getting name, age, and city. Okay. If you write person dot keys here, then also will give the same result. Okay, person dot keys method if I use, then also will get the same result. Okay, by default if you use the only object name, only the dictionary name, that by default it iterate through keys. Okay, if you externally use, either you can use externally keys method, or if you don't use keys method, then also it internally use keys only, it iterate keys only by default. Okay, that's why I have shown person dot keys method, then also will get the same result. If you remove the keys method, then also you will get the same result because it internally uses the keys method. Okay. Okay, and if I want to get the value, say means second is loop through loop through values. Here we need to use loop by loop through. Okay, loop through values. Then what is the syntax? Just same thing. We You can give an any variable here. Okay, no problem. In person dot here just use values. Okay, and colon print just v. That's all. Loop through value. Here we have this is key, name is key, age is key, city is key, but value is John 45 and California. So we are iterating on values. Person dot value, just we get the uh, values collection means John 45 and California. So just one by one iterated and printed. So we'll get John 45 and California. Just John 45 and California. Okay. Just you can iterate by the keys or values. You can iterate, and you can also iterate with item. Okay. Item means suppose just use this one. Just comment that loop through item, or you can say key value pairs. Loop through key value pairs. Then what is the syntax? Loop through key value pairs. I want to in first example just I get the keys, in second example I get the values. Okay, by default if there is no key and value method are used, then by default it work internally it work on keys. Okay. And if I want both key and value, then what is the syntax? Just for K for key and comma V for value in person dot we are just getting what key and value. So if we use person dot key, then we'll get key. If you don't use key, then also we'll get key. If you use person dot value, then we'll get value. If I want both key and value, then we need to use items. Okay, just colon print key, just give double quotes here, key and p for value. One second, just checking is concatenation is working here. So I think concatenation operator is working here. So let me check. No, concatenation is not working here. We need to give key, comma, value. Just put there. And done. Now here key, comma, value is printed. K for key, V for value. Name John, age 45, city California. Okay. Key is key and value is printed. Okay. So in this case, we need to, if you want to get key and value both uh, in single iteration or along with, then we need to use items. Okay. If you want to key along with value, then we need to use items, person dot items. Okay. And next example regarding check existence. Existence. Okay. How to check the existence? Okay. We need to check existence like if this key name in person colon print yes exist. Just we need to check the particular key check existence of key in dictionary. Okay, so just click yes exist. The name in person dictionary is available. So if I use just name one, name one is not available. So we need to give else condition, otherwise it will print nothing. Okay, so we need to give else condition. If name one, this key is in person is the available, then they print this one. Else just enter else print not exist, not exist. Okay, not exist. We can name one key is not available in the person dictionary. Just see person, person. Just sorry, capital P. Python is case sensitive. That's why we can't use. Capital P. Okay. Here, name key is available, not name one. If you checking name one in person, then it not exist. Okay. And if you want to get the length, just length, then you need to use length, then person dictionary, and just this is 3, 1, 2, and this is 3. This is the length of the dictionary. Okay. I think this in the dictionary, uh, I will discuss in next video because I think the video is very long. So whatever remaining in dictionary, I will discuss in next video. Okay. Okay. That's all. Thank you.